Motorola has launched a new premium smartphone, the Edge 30 Fusion. The latest flagship killer from the company sits between the Motorola Edge 30 and the Edge 30 Pro, which were launched earlier this year in India. The new Edge 30 Fusion aims to strike the right balance by offering a premium thin and lightweight design along with flagship grade performance. Now before we talk about the phone, a quick shout out to Motorola for its new eco-friendly retail box. The box is fairly big in size, which means that there should be a charger bundled inside. First up, we have the phone wrapped in this plastic sheet. This is the cosmic grey color of the Edge 30 Fusion, which certainly looks very neat and premium. There's also the solar gold color option for those who want a more shiny finish. The box also packs a 68-watt charging adapter and a USB Type-C cable inside. You also get a transparent case, which might offer some basic protection but dilutes the premium look of the phone a little. Coming to the most important content of the box, the phone itself. The Edge 30 Fusion feels quite premium in hand thanks to the use of glass on the front and back. The frame is also made of aluminium and does not feel as slippery. It is also quite thin and light despite packing a 4400 mAh battery. For those who want numbers, the Edge 30 Fusion weighs about 175 grams and is 7.45mm thick. It is also IP52 rated for splash resistance. The power and volume buttons are on the right edge, whereas the SIM tray, the USB Type-C port and the primary speaker grill are at the bottom. The phone's earpiece also doubles up as a secondary speaker for stereo sound. The Edge 30 Fusion has a 6.55-inch POLED display with a hole punch at the top. And like most recent premium Motorola phones, the Edge 30 Fusion comes with a 144Hz refresh rate display. Users who consume a lot of video content on their phone will like the curved edges of the screen, which offers an immersive viewing experience. It also supports HDR10+. On top of this, the screen can get plenty bright up to 1100 nits, which means there shouldn't be any issues when using the phone indoors or outdoors. The Edge 30 Fusion also promises great performance with the hardware on offer. There is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. In the little time I've spent using the phone, I haven't noticed any major heating issues. But we will be running up performance and gaming tests in the full review to see if it can handle intensive tasks. So stay tuned. The Edge 30 Fusion has a 50MP main camera, a 30MP ultra-wide camera and a 2MP depth sensor. The ultra-wide camera can also shoot macros. For selfies, there is a 32MP front camera. The phone offers plenty of camera features to play around, such as portrait mode, video, night vision, time-lapse, auto smile capture, etc. In terms of software, the Edge 30 Fusion runs on the Android 12 based MyUX skin, which offers a near stock Android experience but with a layer of custom features such as moto gestures, wallpapers, fonts, etc. Motorola is promising 2 major Android updates and 3 years of software support for the Edge 30 Fusion. We will test Motorola's latest flagship killer smartphone to see if it is a worthy contender. Priced at Rs 42,999, the Motorola Edge 30 Fusion faces competition from the likes of the iQOO 9, the Xiaomi 11T Pro, OnePlus 10R, Realme GT Neo 3 and other premium smartphones priced at around Rs 40,000. Our review of the Motorola Edge 30 Fusion will be coming soon on Gadgets 360, so stay tuned.